So we have this ground ball screw, and you can kind of tell because of this section right here. You can see that the raceway is actually ground.
Yeah.
This, on the other hand, or actually up here, it's a little bit easier to tell. This is a rolled ball screw. So you can see there's kind of a little line between this. So there's actually a die that goes around these and actually pushes the material out. So that's what causes this little line. So this is easier to manufacture and quicker to manufacture. It's lower cost, but it's going to have lower accuracy and more backlash.
Yeah.
This, on the other hand, is going to be harder to manufacture and a longer lead time and higher cost, but it's going to have higher accuracies and higher preloads, so you're going to get less backlash.
Nice.
And it's going to have a lot more combinations of diameter and lead.
Yeah, because I'm looking for something really fast, pretty much. Like originally when we built our printers, we were going to use ball screw, but all the ball screw we found in our budget at the time was the pitch wasn't wide enough, really. It wasn't aggressive enough for us.
So yeah, I mean, we have these types in both rolled and ground. This one particularly is rolled, but we have them in ground as well. It just depends what you're looking for. And we also have none of these are actually caged except for these two. And you can see they're actually considered high-speed cage ball screws. But there's actually a ball cage in there, just like in our guides. So there's less metal-to-metal contact, so there's less force transferred to the recirculation, which means that you can go faster with these. So some of these, for example, you might have a top speed of. Well, we don't really have a top speed per se for all of these. It's more of what we call a DN value.
Yeah.
So the DN value for these might be something around 7,000, and how we calculate the top speed. So it's that 70,000 divided by the diameter of the balls, the ball-to-ball center diameter. So basically this diameter here.
Nice.
So this, let's say it's 20, so 70,000 divided by 20, and that's your max RPM. These, however, can go up to 140,000 DN. So
because less friction.
Yeah, so it's 140, and it's less friction and better recirculation. There's better geometry in there as well to allow for that. So you're seeing about twice as high of a speed between this to this.
Nice. Yeah, this is great stuff. Where are y'all located at?
It depends. Where are you located?
Houston, Texas.
Yeah, so we have sales guys that are actually located in Dallas, and they come down here fairly often.
Do y'all have any inventory in Dallas?
Probably not. We have a plant in Ohio that manufactures mostly guides, but we also have our national headquarters in Chicago, and we have some inventories there as well. But for ball screws, it's mainly going to be coming from Japan.